Welcome to this bonus module, where we're going to cover advanced strategies that can take your rebuilt car buying to the next level. These are the insider tips and sophisticated approaches that I've developed over years of buying rebuilt cars and helping others do the same. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to find the absolute best deals, avoid even the most subtle pitfalls, and potentially use rebuilt car purchases as part of a long-term wealth building strategy. Let's start with advanced deal finding techniques that go beyond the obvious sources. Finding hidden opportunities. Most people looking for rebuilt cars start with the obvious places: online marketplaces, dealership lots, and classified ads. But the best deals often come from sources that other buyers overlook. Insurance company auctions can be gold mines for rebuilt car opportunities. While most vehicles at these auctions are still salvage title, some are already rebuilt and being sold by insurance companies that took them back for various reasons. Estate sales sometimes include rebuilt cars, especially when the original buyer was knowledgeable about automotive values. Executors often don't understand the difference between rebuilt and salvage titles and may price accordingly. Fleet vehicle disposals can include rebuilt cars that were purchased by companies looking to maximize their transportation budgets. These vehicles often have excellent maintenance records. Professional rebuilders sometimes sell directly to consumers when they have vehicles that don't fit their usual sales channels. Building relationships with quality rebuilders can give you access to cars before they hit the general market. Building rebuilder relationships. Speaking of rebuilder relationships, this is one of the most valuable advanced strategies you can employ. When you find a rebuilder who does excellent work, stay in touch with them even after your purchase. Let them know what type of vehicle you might be interested in for future purchases. Many rebuilders will contact preferred customers when they get particularly nice vehicles or when they have cars that match specific customer interests. Some rebuilders offer informal warranties or guarantees to repeat customers that they might not extend to first-time buyers. The rebuilder who worked on my friend's cars actually maintained a waiting list of customers interested in specific types of vehicles. When the right car came through their shop, they'd contact people on the list before advertising publicly. Seasonal timing strategies. Understanding seasonal patterns in the rebuilt car market can help you find better deals and avoid peak pricing periods. Winter is often the best time to buy convertibles, motorcycles, and recreational vehicles with rebuilt titles. Demand is lower, which can translate to better prices. Late fall can be excellent for finding rebuilt cars from areas that experience summer weather damage like hailstorms or flooding. These vehicles often hit the market several months after the initial damage. End-of-year timing can work in your favor when rebuilders are looking to clear inventory for tax purposes or when individual sellers want to complete transactions before year-end. Economic downturns often increase the availability of rebuilt cars as more people seek value-oriented transportation options. Advanced inspection techniques. While we covered basic inspection in Module 5, there are advanced techniques that can help you spot issues that other buyers might miss. Magnetic paint thickness gauges can help you identify areas where bodywork was done, even when the repair quality is excellent. These tools show variations in paint thickness that indicate body filler or panel replacement. Professional diagnostic scanners can reveal error codes or system issues that might not be obvious during a basic test drive. Some rebuilders clear codes before selling, but underlying issues might still be detectable. Frame measurement tools or services can verify that structural repairs were done properly. This is particularly important for vehicles that suffered significant collision damage. Comprehensive pre-purchase inspections by technicians who specialize in rebuilt vehicles can identify issues that general mechanics might miss. Negotiation psychology. Advanced negotiation for rebuilt cars involves understanding the psychology of both rebuilders and individual sellers. Professional rebuilders often have firm pricing because they understand their costs and market positioning. However, they might be more flexible on timing, warranties, or included services. Individual sellers of rebuilt cars are often more motivated than clean title sellers because their potential buyer pool is smaller. Use this knowledge tactfully in negotiations. End of month or end of quarter timing can work in your favor with professional rebuilders who have sales targets to meet. Rebuilders often prefer cash buyers or buyers with pre-approved financing because it simplifies their sales process. This preference can sometimes translate to pricing advantages. Building market expertise. To become truly skilled at rebuilt car purchasing, consider building expertise in specific market segments. Some people specialize in luxury vehicles because the absolute dollar savings are larger. Others focus on specific brands where they can develop deep knowledge of common issues and repair quality indicators. Understanding specific damage types can be valuable. Someone who becomes expert at evaluating hail damage rebuilds, for example, can identify excellent opportunities that other buyers might pass over. Following insurance claim trends can help you anticipate what types of rebuilt vehicles will be available in coming months. Major weather events, for instance, often create specific opportunities months later. Avoiding advanced pitfalls. As you become more sophisticated in rebuilt car buying, you need to be aware of advanced pitfalls that can catch experienced buyers. Title washing schemes are becoming more sophisticated. Always verify title history through multiple sources, not just what the seller provides. Some rebuilders cut corners in ways that aren't immediately obvious. For example, using recycled airbags instead of new ones, or skipping software updates that should accompany certain repairs. Flood damage can be particularly well hidden in professional rebuilds. Learn to spot subtle signs like mineral deposits in unusual places or slight variations in interior materials. Be wary of rebuilt cars that have been rebuilt multiple times. Some vehicles go through several damage repair cycles, and each incident reduces their reliability and value. Recap. This advanced module has equipped you with the sophisticated strategies that separate savvy rebuilt car buyers from the crowd. You've learned to find hidden opportunities through insurance auctions, estate sales, and fleet disposals while building valuable relationships with quality rebuilders who can provide early access to premium vehicles. You understand how seasonal timing, advanced inspection techniques using professional tools, and psychological negotiation tactics can maximize your advantages in this specialized market. The key to mastering rebuilt car purchases lies in developing market expertise within specific segments, whether that's luxury vehicles, particular brands, or damage types like hail damage. You're now aware of the advanced pitfalls that can trap even experienced buyers, from sophisticated title washing schemes to well-concealed flood damage and vehicles with multiple rebuild histories. These advanced strategies transform rebuild car buying from a simple cost-saving measure into a sophisticated skill that can serve as part of your long-term wealth-building strategy. By implementing these techniques consistently and continuing to build your expertise over time, you'll not only find exceptional deals but also develop a valuable skill set that can benefit you for years to come. The rebuilt car market rewards knowledge, patience, and relationship building, qualities that will serve you well beyond your next vehicle purchase.